So CPI news was, well, I mean, no one believes any of this stuff anymore. It should have been a lot better, and this just does not look like. This doesn't look like to me like, oh, great data, let's buy, market up. This looks like it looks like everyone's positioned short, and that they're gonna stop hunt it for the prior day, and then I think this thing's gonna go lower. I really do. I don't know if it's necessarily today, but yeah. Let's see. I. Mm-hmm. 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 Please be advised that the content of this stream is for educational and informational purposes only. All investments and trading activities involve significant risk of loss. Past performance is not indicative of future result. I am not a financial advisor, and nothing said here should be taken as professional financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and consult with a licensed professional before making any financial decisions. Proceed at your own. Please be advised that the
Oh, Christ, it just starts over again. How many minutes?
Oh, I gotta figure out. Oh, nah. All right. I was supposed to switch it over. There we go. Well, welcome to Discretionary TV. We're here every Friday morning. NINJUS keeps interrupting the introductory video.
Okay, but may I interrupt? Have we done the disclaimer?
Yeah, of course, always.
Okay.
I always say that if anyone needs to sue us, to sue you.
Continue. YSTARIEN.
We had CPI numbers
1 minute remaining for the market on
Nothing
open imbalance.
Particularly fantastic. Market is not responding that great yet, but we're thinking that it's probably going to be consolidation day. Beware of them pumping this up to the prior day midpoint or further. We are still overall bearish on the market. So today, seeing as we're seeing consolidation happening, we're probably going to be playing this to the extremes and just read price action as usual. Remember, we're not trying to foresee the future, nor are we trying to see what we want to see, but we're trying to see where money is going. All right. Ninjas, what are you looking at right now? What instrument?
I'm looking at my MacBook.
Your MacBook.
Okay. Shit. I'm not looking at much, to be honest, because I've been running late. So
well, let me get you caught up here. Gold
terms
of a pop. All right, we got an opening bell here.
I can see gold looks very bearish, but I don't buy it. Yeah. I honestly think they're going to dump metals to try and lower the open interest into the end of this contract. Crude, fucking around. Nat gas, fucking around. It should be cold. I mean, it's going to be cold at the end of this week. It should be going up. There you go.
Good call on the gold, man. That's for sure smart. It's already
and it's open. She's popped down.
NQ. Wow. Okay. I'm not. So just for anyone who does end up watching this video in posterity, we generally don't take anything here at the opens. So we just like to watch it develop, let all the big guys get in or get out of the positions that they want to. And usually we start seeing things develop on where we like to trade about, what do you say, Ninjas? Normally about like 15 minutes after open?
For you, maybe.
Oh, for
me, I'm a bit more conservative. I like to wait like an hour sometimes, but
you know what? If I full disclosure, if I waited an hour, I would have 95% more money in my pocket.
Yeah. It's just a risk reward thing. I don't like. I'm entering off the 5 seconds sometimes, and in the early start of the session, it can be the 5 second can be 10 points wide.
I'll be honest with you, like if I was being totally honest with myself, even it's like all the lights turn on in I don't like casinos, but I'm gonna refer to it like a casino, and all of a sudden all the lights and all the music turns on and everything's going, and you just kind of get swept up into like the action, and you're like, oh, I see something, I want to participate, Yeah,
and I mean, look, you can catch nice momentum plays, but they're kind of risky unless you've got a really good thesis, and even then, it doesn't matter.
But that's exactly it, right? Every time this is why I get doubly burnt. One, I get burnt because even if I read the price action wrong, the wicks are so big, I get screwed. And then if I do have a thesis, once again, the movements are so big, I can't hold through.
No, you have to go full commitment. It means you've got to go super wide stop, and you could just do your fucking daily loss limit in one fucking trade.
Take a look at YM right now. Take a look at YM.
Yeah.
Look
going down.
Yeah, and now look at NQ.
Yeah. And ES both pushing, so they're diverging currently. Gold is it? Natural gas is pumping. Told you it's cold. Gold weather coming in, and the dollar is pushing down. So rolling over. So I'm looking at this broadening formation on NQ. I won't be surprised if it fucks around here when it's at settlement. Tends to just fuck on settlement if it gets stuck there. I would expect it to push maybe to the 0.25 for a short squeeze, but it could go higher than that. Like you say, could come out here. I want to get short, but I'm not gonna.
I know, I do.
I'm not gonna rush into it because there's no way they're just gonna take this straight down.
The lights are so bright. Ninja son, I need to short. It's not tempting.
Go to the bathroom to cocaine instead.
Oh, good cocaine.
Cocaine, calm you down. Calm yourself. Cocaine and green tea.
Man, I do miss having a nice suit and a little cocaine and a cigarette.
Fancy.
Oh, I was fancy, bro. It's so funny, like in comparison to now, I was fancy.
We're similar in so many ways, except that I'm basically a homeless person.
Well,
I look like one.
I am now. Absolutely, I am.
I smell like one.
No, I smell like the beach, baby. Just like, just like that girl from Landman.
You smell like freshly squeezed coconuts.
I do.
That's what you smell like.
My wife, when I got out of the shower and I'm like glistening, she's just like, "Oh God."
Slippy.
What the fuck is this guy's problem?
Very slippy.
All right, 4 times is trying to test this lower area here.
Yeah. Absorbed.
But this, let's see. How strong can you absorb?
Too much here. Too much resistance and the support.
Oh, it's a break. I was gonna short there. My God.
Only pussy short there. Only racist pussy short there. Shorter trap. Yes, I shot. You made it 5 minutes before you want to click.
I know. 5 minutes. This is good new record.
Normally, daily loss limit.
No,
in 2
normally
minutes.
30 seconds.
45 seconds daily loss limit. Limit down.
I'm laughing because I've done it before.
It's true, I know. I'm trying to stop you by doing a racist bit.
No, I'm not clicking. I'm not clicking.
Oh.
I'm not. It's just, you know, when you see that, like, pressing on that lower and you're like, man, I can keep this risk tight. You know?
Yeah, but one of my magical levels is here.
The problem is that sometimes you think you're going to keep it tight, you bang in, and in the split second that you bang in, it wicks up 10 points. Yeah. You know?
It's past where your tie stop being, and you're like,
will it come back?
I don't want to lose 10 points. Yeah. I want to lose 5 points. now I have to hold it until I can get 5 points.
Now this is a long-term investment.
Now I need to call my broker.
This is for posterity.
Quick, speed dial 1. Hello, broker. I need extension on my margin.
Oh shit, it's hot.
I think
hot in this room. Goddamn.
I need to. Okay, it's because you're covered in fucking oil.
I know. It's so slippery everywhere.
Just like covered in oil, covered in
my
hot
skin
lights.
Feels great though. Like my elbow skin that's normally dry is so nice and supple. Supple skin.
Good.
So DYM
I'm Megalite.
continue to drop.
This is looking like a flat top.
What? Where's the flat top? Where am I? What flat top?
Oh, no.
What are you talking about?
Oh no, it's invalid. It's invalidated.
Oh man! Wow!
Oh shit!
Oh.
That's a flat bottom.
So these are the days where it's like you resist getting into it, and then the next day you're like, oh, if I had just shorted when I wanted to short.
No, that's just addiction talking. There's going to be 1,000 opportunities today. That was not the one. That was a 50-50.
Hold on, I'm dying. Holy.
Absorption. Oh, flat bottom. Outside on the 5, outside on the 15.
Let's see, I'm going to put my...
I mean, technically, it is due to go all the way up, I think.
I think...
Yeah.
I know that this wants to go test. I know it wants to go test to the 2,500s, 25,000s, right? I know that, but I want to see like a severe cap, you know?
But that would indicate that it's done. It ain't gonna be done, is it?
What do you mean? Like done pressing down?
The caps, the lows.
Yeah. No, exactly. Like I don't think it's done pressing down. I just
No. So I wouldn't expect any sort of meaningful cap.
Yeah.
You listen to me.
I do. We say the same thing in different ways. Look at this.
Okay, now you can short your talent.
No, I'm
confirmed.
Not.
Shorting confirmed.
Did you? Is that why?
I finished for the day.
You tell me not.
Profit.
I take a 10 contract.
No, I take your contracts and my contracts.
Take all your liquidity.
Profit target acquired.
Game over. Thank you for playing.
Good luck.
What is this? This is
okay. And this is interesting.
Yes.
What's going to be the surprise move? Right, the surprise move is this breaks here doesn't stop. I'll be shocked if that's it.
Yeah.
I'll be flat-footed. I might not know what to do. I'll be too scared to chase in, and then, so that's kind of like, how do we like fuck people from joining the party? That's how you do it.
Yeah, that was an easy short. Just a quick, easy short scalp. Just that little break there.
Yeah, of course, we're off that low. I mean,
yeah.
It
was just stuttering so well that like you could have kept your risk real tight.
Quick one now.
Look at that! They just quickly pop it. This is no cap. Don't trust the cap. Don't buy. Don't buy.
Shot.
I tell the market and all our viewers, don't buy here. Watch it like skyrocket, all-time highs.
It's going down to 0.5.
0.5. Oh, this is secret ninja levels of stuff.
A level based on a volatility index. Vixen. Shit. No way in.
Do you know what the best investment I ever made was? An ice machine.
Flashlight. What? Oh.
Like an $80 ice machine. It changes the game, bro. Like your office just becomes an amazing sanctuary.
Hang on, what? An ice like for a freezer. No, it makes ice. It makes ice.
It makes ice. So I have a little microwave here and a little ice machine on top of it, and I have like an assortment of drinks, and then the ice machine, and it's like a small little luxury. Like literally, you can buy them for like $50, right? And it's
you're having a whiskey sour. A whiskey sour.
No, if I have whiskey sour, then my family no longer has dad.
No more family.
No more family, only cocaine.
And a whiskey.
That's not true. That's not true. I wouldn't have banned, but I've been sober so long. I don't. It's almost like when someone thinks about it, it's almost like I don't know why anymore. I get sick when I have it anyhow. Like I get I can't really digest it, so I get the runs right away. And like the last beer I had a tall boy, and this was like almost, it must have been 2 years ago or something. Like I had one tall boy, and all of a sudden, like my feet and my face were like burning, and all night my feet were burning. And it's just like, first of all, I also think that the quality of the beers and alcohol has just gone so downhill. There's so much preservatives in it that it's just wrecking you. Now, that being said, I'm not against drinking like any alcohol. If I could make my own like hippie kombucha, I would do it. If I could make my own honey mead, I would do it. Even my own apple cider, I would do it. All this requires though having property, because I want to make it myself. I want to know what's in it. I want it to be like with the actual, all the nice bacteria that comes from, like my dad used to make beer, you know, like all that natural, like all the bugs that they kill when they pasteurize the beer, right? I'll have that. if that existed in my life, yeah, no problem. But I'm not gonna go. But that's the thing. I'm also not gonna go out of my way to do it. But I get sick no matter whatever I get from the store. I always get sick, and then like literally like clockwork in 30 minutes to an hour. Like I have the runs. I'm in the bathroom, so it's not worth it. It's not relaxing for me, right?
I understand you're a pussy.
Yes, that's what in a lot of words. What I'm saying is I have vagina.
Bad genetic.
Bad genetic. Well, I don't know if it's genetics because my dad.
Too much. You got too many mixes.
Yeah,
too many mix.
Yeah, my dad still drinks a lot, right? Well, less, but still, and he's never really had any of these issues. I don't know. Maybe I just screwed my stomach up or something when I was in my 20s. I really don't know. I know I've always had stomach problems, though, for sure.
Yeah, I've always had no problems with the drinking.
Well, I didn't think I had any problems with the drinking. I drank a lot.
I think he can drink a lot.
Look at this. Look at the... Oh, my God.
Grindy shorts.
Just vicious, eh? What did we open at here? I don't know how to get this software to tell me a fucking open line.
It's around about 740.
Okay, so we're right at open, right?
Yeah, but I mean, there is a big board information. We've just taken it over and back to the height, and then we might short squeeze up. Maybe at 50%. What do you think? The magic 50. Fucking hell. CO chart so laggy. Yeah, I like that. 50% would be 25 even.
What are you looking at? What do you mean 50% of what? Oh yeah, my 50%. Yeah. Sorry. Yeah.
The fucking yesterday, motherfucker.
Yeah, that's what I said. Yep.
Yesterday, motherfucker. This is quite a big support area as well. No, resistance area, sorry. But it's got to blow sometimes. You tagged it about 100 times. On the 5 minute alone. I mean, we seriously whipped it. Pre-open. Like 3 times. Oh, she's cracking. It's a time I took it long. I'm going to wait for one flat up and smash it. Oh. Don't you get invalid? Oh, invalidated. It's fucking rejecting it. Is it? Tried it. Yeah, I actually wouldn't want to try and catch the break here.
Yeah, that's
if it does break, there's plenty of upside to get a continuation. Unless it really does a clear flat top. And it probably won't. But if this breaks now, we're kind of in a mini broadening formation. So there's exhaustion risk as soon as it fucking pops. It'll come back through.
Yeah.
And so...
I mean, they're pressing it, but man, like that.
Because we made that lower low and then we've just made a higher high, right?
Yeah.
On the 1 minute. Basically gone outside 1 minute. I don't trust it not to do that again.
Crack, but I don't trust this. So let's see.
You want to see, like, just assuming it holds this.
Let's see what happens here. This is key.
It's trying to absorb, but it's holding, it's pressing.
Well, I think there's so much interest up there at that 25 mark that they're gonna do whatever they have to.
I think it's still a risky spot here. There's quite a lot of resistance there as well.
The problem is that they're gonna wash this to the 9 just to do it. Like whenever they start getting this much absorption, they just wash it and then come back, wash it, come back. Right?
Yeah, I mean, I want it to do that. I'd much rather be in off the 9 than where we are now.
I don't want to get anywhere.
And I think it's going to go outside. It's basically got an outside 1 minute. It's going to go all the way around. But it'll take 3 minutes. Not grind. And it might triple tap the highs first. Some shit like that. Just to bait you into longing it first.
Because they are bad people.
Got to understand that we are addicted. And that we want the shiny lights.
Shiny lights.
So Another little trap. Might even do another fake break here. If it does break, then we have a line where we're willing to play if it comes back, but it's not going to break. Should be potentially shorting here, even though it's a counter thesis. But I'm not going to do that either.
YM is finding. Let's see. YM's cracking the VWAP right now. So, yeah, this is not looking good. Man, YM's crazy.
Yeah.
YM's trading like a right fuck. Look at the volume on YM. 4,000 on that candle. That's a 5-minute candle, but still, it's intense. Okay, so here we are trying to find buyers at the 9, failing. We're gonna.
No, I mean it'll overspill. It might go back to the Friday low. Yeah,
this is tough. You gotta help me out today on prior day lows, prior day highs, prior day opens and stuff, because I still can't figure out how to get this platform to show me that stuff, and it's super important for me.
No, we're at prior day low now.
We are okay.
But it's cracking.
Okay, some buyers stepping in here.
Yeah.
But all right, push past VWAP, trying to stop them out. Sellers still in control. Sellers are in control. Oof. This just looks like a great place to churn your profits. So I'm staying out.
Yeah. Need to see more first. No point trying to catch it. Oh fuck, missed it. I mean, that could be all they could muster. Or not. Yeah, it's just way too. Still just doing like 25.5 second candles. It's just crazy. Should be on micros really.
I'm on micros today.
Okay. Thanks for telling me.
Yeah.
Well, thanks for telling me, bro. Okay, maybe I'll switch to.
Well, I mean, like, I can't. I'm not as good as you. I can't hold. I'm too sketchy on these.
Oh my god, my craze is too fucking wild for getting involved.
Why is it pinched here? What's going on?
Settlement. We're on settlement. And it can often just fuck around at settlement. Friday settlement. Maybe I'll try and create something to export these price levels for you.
Well, I mean, that all depends on what platform I end up with, you know.
I mean, at least you can draw them manually at the very least, you know what I mean?
Yeah, no, that's correct. I'm gonna look into this over charts thing, because, I mean, you should be able to draw a line for open, like, automatically. That's ridiculous.
I think so.
Alright, so what is it? Back to the... Alright, wants to retest those highs again? Holy smokes, okay.
Lots of fucking me. No. Prick. Getting into early.
I'm not buying this sell-off here. Let's see. Okay.
So I'd wait for 466 of this. I can't see it not going there. And if it does that, it could go. Let's see. Might try a short, yeah.
God damn it.
Yeah, I hate this first hour, man. It's fucking shit.
Oh, that's such horse shit. I think I just gotta start taking 5-10 point profits as soon as I get it.
Yeah. I've been doing way too much of that as well. I'm trying to catch these bangers while it's moving.
Yeah,
it's just
I'm like keep getting in profit, and then I keep myself, you know?
Yeah.
I just start taking my money.
just pure shit. Right here. And if it doesn't break down here, I'll be shocked. Top of the hour coming in.
How is this? What's going on? Oof. Oh my goodness. Okay.
Top of the hour. Yeah, fucking long, isn't it?
What'd you say?
It's just going long, I think. Saying that. Who fucking knows? Got it on my quiz.
There we go. Finally caught me a long one. God damn. Fucking sweaty, bro.
Yeah, I'm long. I'm holding it there.
Yeah, I should have held it. God damn.
No. Yeah.
Nope, never mind. Probably got stopped out there, hey?
I didn't know. But I'm out tripping at the moment.
Yeah. This is such gross structure, man.
Yeah, it's just inside the big range. It's obviously a battle going on. You shouldn't really play it, except at the extremes.
I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm gonna take my hands off the keyboard right now. I'm literally just becoming sim liquidity. Like look at this structure. Look at this pattern here. Like we got no tell. Like the absorptions are not working. Like the absorption place is not working here. I'm sorry. I think.
Yeah, there's no like. I've got no real levels. I mean, there's one kind of here for shorts, but I don't believe it.
No. So I'm gonna just hands off until something very apparent comes here. But this is edgeless. I mean, statistically, I guess right here, for example, you could go short or long and keep that at a pretty tight stop and keep getting your 5-10 points, right? But I got wicked through there at the top of the hour on my stop, and it filled me horribly.
Yeah, they will do. Like these prop firms, they'll give you the last price of the wick rather than where you would have got filled.
Yeah, so I guess lesson learned there. Important to watch those top what you said, top and bottom of the hour, right?
Yeah.
Very interesting how that that something kicks in, like algorithmically or whatever.
Yeah, I mean, it's just, I'm sure there's time-based algos that execute at those times.
Okay, so YM looking strong, looking like it wants to test the highs, getting into a key area here. This is starting to look a little bit better for a long. Let's see how this candle goes here. 30 seconds left on it. Let's see. If this thing holds the 9, I will participate.
No, you don't.
No?
No. We need to get over settlement at this point. If you're not already in, you need to wait until we get through settlement. Okay. Which is 770.
770. Got it.
I was saying that you're scalping. I mean, play it to settle.
I'm I'm learning from you too here. So these are the type of plays where I would have tried to perfectly nail it at the 9. I would have got stopped out there at the low, and then I would have got a little like, a little tilty in my head, like fuck,
Yeah.
Especially with this next candle, right? So no, I'm listening. Like I didn't click. I'm trying to be better here. Because I got okay reads on things, but I don't know necessarily all the time what I'm reading. Like, I can tell that something's happening there. I can read the candles, but just knowing, like, hey, like, Andrew, like, that's actually, like, the settlement price is over here, blah, blah, blah. Like, it kind of helps me kind of put things into context.
Yeah, I mean, the nuance of reading the candles is one thing, but you got to do it in the right areas.
Correct, which is where I struggle. So if I'm, like, I can read the days really well. I can read the narratives of the news really well. Price action candles, I'm getting better. But when it comes to like levels, I'm like clueless. I just mainly I'm looking at, like, I look at a chart. I'm like, okay, where's my gap?
Yeah, I mean, it's harder when you do it manually. Like, I've got things automatically plotted, so it's very hard. You've drawn these lines on, you might delete them all, and then you fucking.
So what are you looking at here for this settlement? You're looking at how it reacts here?
Well, if I think the short squeeze is on, we need to take settlement first.
Meaning it needs to wash at settlement, get people to stop out on the long side, and then reclaim.
Well, I mean,
when you say take settlement, that's what you're saying, right?
Like get above it, convincingly break above it, and hold. Okay, so you want to get above it, maybe a milli consolidation.
Okay, so here it tests the settlement, and now we want to see it. We want to see where this candle closes. We want to see where the next one starts. That's pretty important.
Yeah.
Yeah. So let this one.
And it's just like we've just massively wicked the lows. From a broadening formation perspective, it should be going up now to short squeeze. But at the minute it's holding on the settlement, so it could be that this is the failure point. Like, sellers are stepping in, buyers are getting absorbed, so we could be breaking down now. But you want a bit more confirmation of that first. If you're trying to start hold for a play, really, or at least be sure that shorts are the way. So here we go again.
Right, here we go again. Okay. Same concept.
So again, we're right at settlement, and it's struggling to get above it. We haven't had a 1 minute close above settlement. 770.
770. I thought you said 707 was settlement.
No, sorry, 770.
770. Okay, I understand.
So the 1 minute has
707, 705, 707 is just kind of where it's bottomed. Okay.
All right. That's where, that's kind of just happens to be where
kind of where the open was. Close. No, not really. No. Yeah, never mind. Okay, got it. Okay, I understand now what you're looking at. That makes more sense now to my brain.
So now, I mean, we're just stuck inside this range. It's like it's pointless even thinking about trading until we break out of this range. Unless you're going to play it.
Gold is looking slow. It's grinding, but this isn't like convincing buying. Let's see. ES is kind of following suit with NQ. Nothing spectacular.
Apex Ember looks like it's going long to me.
What looks like it's going long?
Yes. Structurally on the 1 minute looks fairly long.
Yeah. Yes.
Like that's flat, kind of flat topping. Right. Again, stuck at settlement, same as on NQ. Flat topping, putting in higher lows. So pressing settlement on NQ, it's pressing that local high on ES. And the broadening formation in play. So it's trying. I want to see this 1 minute close above. So there we go. So now it's like, okay, potentially continuation plays, but ES just took out an outside high 1 minute candle. So exhaustion risk, but
when you say exhaustion risk, you mean just buyers had to give so much ammo to get up here. Yeah.
Last time we were there, we sold off. We exhausted. So we're back there. Like we got there, we tried to go higher than the prior high, and then we got stuffed all the way back down. So someone actively let that tick one above and then stepped in, and so you've got to assume there's a risk of that happening again.
And you're talking about the candle at 9:49, correct?
I'm talking about either on the 1 minute on ES, the 56-minute candle, 9:56.
Yeah. Okay, I see.
So we just took that high. We've held it though, so that's good. Not showing any signs of exhaustion. So we're now probably going to go take out the actual real local highs up at probably 64. So now look at that. So they're stepping in. That's NQs. So if you look at NQ, same deal. The 9:55 was an outside. We've just pegged that. We're seeing signs of exhaustion. We've now retested the settlement, but we've pinged off of it. So if this breaks, then it's like, okay, I'll be considering continuation plays rather than absorption, reversion kind of stuff. So again, that's outside 1 minute on the NQ. It's not my favorite thing when you're trying to take a high, because basically you're forming a Broadman formation at a high. That means we could rotate around here a little bit.
This seems to be danger zone.
But it is pushing. So yeah, it looks like we're good. So now the target would be for me the plus 0.25 deviation at 873. And I'll be potentially looking for some sort of continuation play. But also keeping it tight because I'm aware that we might go outside back to settlement. We're at Pride Day close as well, so I would try a feeler trade there, but keep it tight. I don't really want to see you do that, but one more of those, I'm out. Okay, so I'm out. And yeah. So it looks like it's going to go outside. So it's just being aware of those risks in the price action, just in the way it structures itself. Now, if this turns here and breaks a high, then we've got a nice area to get long again if it comes back. But we need to see if it actually does that. Otherwise, I'm expecting it to sweep below settlement now. With the 9 holes, then next time we come back to like 790, if we break the high here, 790 is long. Next time, if it comes back, it has to break it there. And it's just a candidate for a long, it's not like a guarantee. Holding. So it's like trying to break this high, now it's consolidating on it. So that's kind of bullish. If the sellers were taking it down, they might have done it by now. So basically butting up against yesterday's prior close. Or yesterday's close. Looks like they're going to run it. So at settlement, we swept settlement. Now looking for absorption. Potentially to try some feelers. Bit of fuckery there. Try again. So now, like, the expectation is if that it's going to go all the way back through now and take the highs, but it might not be an easy ride. Again, if this fails and goes short, then I'll be thinking about actually staying exclusively short scalping after that, because it's failed to essentially continue the price discovery behavior. So the assumption being it's found fair value and actually it's on the short side, but now it's trying to push. Hovering above settlement. I'll put my stop actually on the low so I don't get wigged out. Too fucking slow. So now if this takes the low in a convincing way, then all bets are off and it's fucking time to short. Within reason. So YM's turned, ES turned. Dollar's doing the annoying thing where it goes the opposite way of everything. Friday low.
Hey, can you hear me?
Yep.
Okay, sorry, my mic got. I actually realized you couldn't hear me. I actually took the short when it pressed towards VWAP there for a little scalp.
Cool. Yeah. I think it's like, good chance.
Yeah, once it kind of started, just the price action right there on that at 252-ish, I was just like, you know what, I can get a few points out of this for sure. But but full disclosure, I'm literally trading 1 micro right now. So
yeah, that's fair enough. I mean, in the conditions.
Yeah.
I mean, we're stuck in the middle of a range. We shouldn't be trading at all.
I mean, just so for other beginners like me, why do you say that? Why do you find that there's? Why would you say don't? Yeah, go ahead.
Well, because you're in the middle of a range, right? So it's like basically, it's like we're mean reverting from one side to the other. So when you're in the middle, it's the worst place to be, because from a directional standpoint, you can go either way. From a probability standpoint, so you should be waiting until you're at the extremes to assume that it's going to keep ranging and go back across. So your true value is your true EV is at the extremes of the range, or at the extremes of micro sort of broadening formations within the range. Otherwise, you're just, if you put like a linear regression kind of channel on it, you're just right bang in the middle. It's the worst place to be.
Just to play devil's advocate for a second, because I understand this is the area that everyone finds value, buyers and sellers. It's the easiest place to get chopped up. Fine. However, wouldn't this be the best area to pay attention for that key sign as to when, like, watching the price action, waiting for that key, like, big A plus sign that we are now going to be breaking out of that value area?
Yeah, but I mean, it's still higher risk than waiting for it to actually break and taking a continuation.
Ah, okay. So that was the key. That was the key information right there. Got it.
Like,
No,
it can work. It can work, but you can just, you've just got to be willing to take lots of losses in trying to catch it.
Yeah.
And
So
that's not for everyone. You know what I mean?
Yes, it's not for me. I've tried for many months now to trade exactly these things because I've seen Bear do it successfully. But yeah, I just take like, I like to call them micro cuts, but they're large cuts. Like, it's easy in these areas for me to take 3 like big stops very fast.
Yeah, exactly. It's just like, if you've got,
and they just don't feel worth it at the end of the day. When at the end of the day I look at my P&L and I'm like, man, like, was that really like did I feel good spending my risk there?
Yeah, I mean, it's just like you've got, like, say you've said it before, like, you've got a limited amount of bullets. You need to use them in the highest probability areas, but of course, it's just like charts moving. It's looking like there's good opportunities, but it's also dangerous.
What's your VIX at right now? 21.73 on mine. But mine's a little bit delayed.
My VIX. Oh fuck! I don't have one open. So here she goes. So she's just flat topped out of this low. Should go outside now. But actually, it's a good place to short as well. So it's a bit of a fucking pig.
Yeah, I'm seeing both patterns, and I don't want to be in either. I have a rule. If I can see both happening at the same moment, it's 50-50. I actually sometimes will take it, like, if it's stuttering near, like, the high or low of the candle, because I can just pick a 2-point stop, and it's worth just the risk, right? But not here. Oof, look at that. Ouch. Imagine being bullish on pedophiles. The Dow is over 50,000. Did you see that video?
Yeah. Why are we not talking about this?
Why are we talking about cannibal baby pedophile rapist torturers when the Dow is over 50,000? S&P over 7,000.
Why are we talking about me doing my job?
Dude, some of the other videos were just like, she's just like, you never asked the last guy this. It was just like the most, like, female-coded answer.
This is sexist. You're just being sexist.
No one
right now.
asked the last person these questions. Oh my god. Well, it's like a child. Oh my god. But they're not dumb. They know what they're doing. They know very well what they're doing. All the boomers were, like, rejoicing with that speech. Like, oh, the value of my house. Awesome. I'm going to leave nothing for my children.
I'm going on holiday for 20 years.
It's brutal. All right, what are we looking at here? Back to VWAP. We're right at VWAP, by the way.
Yeah.
No, you don't use it.
Friday lows are. This is proper, like, middle of the range bullshit.
You're pretty good at coding stuff, right? Like, you understand reading code?
Depends what language it is.
Okay.
But nowadays, I just fucking get AI to do it all.
Yeah, I tried. I didn't do it well, and I don't know how to fix it.
You have to have one of the better models. And you have to, it's all about prompting and giving it what it needs to do it well. Give it examples and stuff if you've got it.
So the primary language is... It's their own language, but it's based on C# and Visual Basic.
Yeah, it's generally pretty standard for trading platforms. Apart from trading, they're pain scripted. I still think that's sharp.
I'm gonna go look at some other instruments here. What do we got here? YM doing the same. ES doing the same.
I mean, look, I expect it to be like.
Funny thing, I'm looking at YM on a 1 minute, and it seems bearish. I'm looking at MNQ on a 1 minute, and it looks like big picture. It looks flat toppy, right? Like from open till now.
Yeah.
And so far, YM has been the dictator. Like here, this looks bearish, but I mean, oh, I was wrong. Wow, I didn't expect that curl to work out. My mistake.
Yeah, I mean, it's just.
I thought it was just gonna keep compressing,
Yeah, it didn't surprise me that went.
Volume's dropping. Like perfectly dropping. Look at that. That's like very, very cool to watch that.
Yeah, which is meant to be generally bullish.
Yeah, well, before I said it, I hadn't looked at the volume, so. Let's see.
There's nothing else fucking in place. It's gonna be a shitty, choppy day, I think.
Yeah.
When you have like a big like, what was that 1.5 sigma day yesterday? It's a good chance it's just gonna fuck around. Get another run at it, but
I'm pretty toast here, man. Like, I don't know.
It's just so much price containment up here. Like, on the 15-minute, it's just Wixie. Like, trying to break, and it fucking ain't getting anywhere. But it's gotta break sometime.
Yeah, I guess. I mean, look, our overall thesis is bullish on the day, right? Bearish overall, weekly, monthly, but I mean, bullish till we get to the 2500s.
Yeah, I'm expecting some sort of reclaim. Like, not going to commit to shorts until, especially now after that sort of failed effort. Like, this should actually just run up now fairly easily.
As wild as this sounds, it almost sounds worth it to put a stop by here at this.
Yeah. Problem trading micros is that I overtrade like fuck. I'm taking about 1,000 trades.
Fucking Simprops, they're fucking pissing me off. They fill me at the worst shit. My stop was above my fucking entry, and they still dox me. The fucking cunts.
Yeah.
Dude, that pisses me off so bad. Fucking assholes.
Who is this one now? Is it?
The futures desk. They're not as bad, right? But still, like, fuck you. You know.
I'm gonna give them a try. I might grab one.
Like, look, I'll be honest. I did test out all their fills. It's pretty good. Like, it's not bad. But there are times like that when, like, I actually did I did a stop by there at the high for the break. You know.
Yeah.
I know that's like, ooh, don't do that. But you know, at this point, I was like, I should be able to get at least 5 points as it pops through here. You know, like, It looked really convincing, and good thing I was, it was right. But I moved my stop like a good point above my entry, like it was there, and it just, bing, it's like fills me out, and then it fills me at a loss, right? So it must have docked me 2-3 points, because I think that they also their program has like a sensitivity to volatility, right? So when I was trading a little bit of London session last night, testing out, like I literally would like write down the entries and all this stuff and figure it out. When it's like there's this middle point when if the volatility is too low, it feels you bad. If the volatility is too high, it feels you bad. When it's kind of at a middle, like London session, whatnot, it's pretty good. It's almost like maybe a quarter off, but right there, like no, like my stop is above my fucking entry by like 2 points, right? Like you can't be doxing me that,
Mm.
That's horse shit. But what are you gonna do? Are you gonna complain?
Well, they won't do anything.
File a formal complaint.
They'll put it on the stack on the desk. Thank you. Put that with the others.
I'd like to speak to your manager. Cunts. But yeah, I don't know. Their support staff is pretty nice too, and they're pretty on it, which I appreciate.
Yeah.
Like,
as long as they sort of pretend that they've got some sort of support structure, it takes the heat off from that. So they'll put loads of money into it, but they don't actually do anything about it. But at least you feel like someone's listening. Some of them are better than others, in fairness. Shouldn't throw them all under the bus, but...
Oh, Bear's online.
He's been on there for a while.
Oh,
yeah. But...
honestly, I'm having a great time with you here, so...
Oh, thank you very much. I wish I could say the same.
Yeah, I don't blame you. Even my kids this morning were like, I don't love you. I love Mom.
Yeah, kids always do that. Mummy does everything and you just bring them money. And you just make them money.
Yeah,
Fuck you, you little brat.
Dad doesn't really make too much money anymore. Not while he's in school.
Daddy doesn't even make any money. Kids just turn into little Irish rats.
Dude, the wildest thing is... So I told you, like, I'm old, but I had to go back to school because I can't work any of my old jobs.
Ooh, you're like the MILF. You're the MILF of the school.
No, I don't, like, it's all online. I can't.
What's the fun in that?
Well, I get to stay home with my family.
Oh, God. You really fucked up on that one, Bo.
Where was I? I was saying a story. You fucked me up. Ugh.
Sorry. You're saying it's really nice.
I can't remember now. What did
being
you
in being in school, at home.
Oh no. So I decided to go back to school. Like I'm actually doing an accounting degree right now, and not that I have any idea what the fuck I'm gonna do with it, but I didn't really have much of an alternative. And I was like, oh man, like I got to find a way to make some extra cash on the side. Like things are so tight, and I went to start looking at jobs that like I know that are like it's jobs I did in my 20s. Like I had a flooring business in my 20s, like a hardwood flooring installation business. I even had a couple guys that worked for me, so I know how to do it. And I mean, I can't do it a lot, and I'm not physically capable as capable. But I know a lot of these guys are always looking for like part-time guys to just come like haul shit out of the truck for a day or something, and they'll pay you cash, dude. First of all, there's no work, and the wages across the board here in Canada for like menial jobs like that, they're less than what I was getting paid doing those jobs 15 years ago. 15 years ago, and across the board. I mean, I probably had like 200 samples of data on wages to like these jobs, and these are flooring installation jobs. Like 15 years ago, a guy who was just coming in to do a day of installation, it would be like $30 to $40 cash, right? They're trying to pay people like $18, $22 an hour for experience. They're trying to pay laborers like 15, 16. It's just the craziest. No one has money, right? Nobody has any money. But when you have wages that are like, we have the most expensive rent
else in the world. The everything is insanely priced, and now we have wages that are substantial. Like these are jobs that like anyone should be able to kind of get into and start out. No, it's brutal. So I literally was looking at this. I was like, I will spend more in gas and food getting to like a work site doing this for the day than I will make in cash. Oh, and the other thing is they won't even pay you cash anymore because everyone's so broke. They want to claim everything, right? So they want to pay you this, but they want to pay you wage. No, it's gotten bad, really bad.
Yeah, I mean it's similar here. My wages just haven't gone up, or they've gone effectively gone down with inflation. It's just a joke. And then on top of that, like over here, you get like I'm sure it's there as well. You're allowed to earn so much tax free, and that hasn't changed for fucking decades, nearly. It's just like where the average wage has gone up. So all that's meant is like your average amount of taxable income's gone up. So it's like your net fucking negative. And yeah, I'm just going to stop paying taxes. I'm just going to stop.
I pretty much have, to be honest with you, but that's like I'm not like just not doing it. I essentially incorporated out of the States, so whatever I do make from anybody is charged to my American company. If I need cash really bad, I have a shell company that I can bring money to, and then I can, as long as I like do it as a dividend, and like I have a whole structure that I literally.
Yeah, you used to be able to do that in the UK, but just like it's closed all down slowly.
Well, yeah.
Go on.
Sorry. But that's the thing, right? So I've since I went back to school. Look, one of the breaking points for me was when I finally stopped my business. Right, I was like working to the bone every day, just killing myself, and because I wanted to like make my business grow and whatnot, and they just take everything I fucking work for. Meanwhile, like I'm barely paying, like I'm getting like $800 a month electricity bills in Montreal to heat the home, right? Like because it's old homes and shit. And I'm like, I can't do this. I'm not gonna kill myself to pay for this system. Meanwhile, I'm living there, and I just see all these immigrants, blacks, Mexicans, you name it. And they're just hanging around these metro stations, not working. Every day I'd see them as I'm in the snow in my fucking suit, hauling my luggage all the way downtown in the pissing rain in fucking -20. They're just always there, just hanging around, fucking smoking, drinking. And I was like, I'm just so done with this. So I tried to go to the government. I tried to get grants. I tried to get loans. And I remember looking through all these things, and it's like if I was a woman, if I was a fag, if I was black, there was Indian, all these different things. Like there was tons of money for that, but none for me, someone who has like a legitimate like business that's actually producing, right? And I was just so furious. I was like, I'm not contributing to this shit anymore. Like I'm just done. Like I'm done contributing. That was the day I set up my stuff in the States, and then now, yeah, I don't have income in Canada, or very, very little, to the point where like I might as well, I'm like, according to Canada, like I'm poverty line, and that's fine because my money's tied up in my business through the States, so I have to pay taxes to the States, but I don't have to pay taxes here for that, And I don't care. I refuse to contribute to it anymore. I refuse to see everyone just sucking the system dry. My parents worked their whole lives into the system. My grandparents worked their whole lives into the system. Like we have I worked my whole life into the system. For fucking what, dude? I have like a torn ligament in my knee, and I gotta wait a year for a fucking MRI. Like, it's bullshit here, man. I'm just done. Like, I saw everyone, rich people, man, I remember living in Richmond. I used to know Chinese people. Their dads were in China, like owning fucking factories. They're living in Richmond, like in like $1 million fucking houses, and this was like 20 years ago. And the moms are on welfare because they have no income here, and they're getting child benefits. And I'm like, are you fucking joking me, right? Meanwhile,
yeah, same here with the fucking Muslims, you know what I mean? All these fucking boat people. Just like someone's getting fucking a backhander.
Yeah. So I said, I'm done. Like, if you've like, I don't have a nation anymore. You've destroyed my nation. You've replaced my nation. So I would be willing. I'm willing to sacrifice if it was my nation. But this isn't. Canada's always been just a garbage economic zone. To be honest with you, I think we just never really saw it. What I feel sad about is I feel sad about for countries like yours. I feel sad about countries like yours getting replaced. I don't give a Canada. I don't give a fuck about Canada. But like seeing like something great like England, the way that it's going, that makes me sad.
Yeah, it's real bad. Like,
like I would fight for England. Like if I was English, I would fight for that. But as like someone born here and just seeing them just pillage this place, and it's no, I don't know. I feel for whoever is like a true heritage Canadian that like was like founding like stock blood, but no, I'm out.
Yeah, the world's fucked, man. It's fucked. Where do you go? Where would you obviously, States is one thing, but that could go very quickly to shit.
Look, you can only go to the States. There's no other options. Like there's if you are trying to make money and you're trying to, the only option is conservative states, places like Florida. You just don't have any other options. So, just make sure you don't say anything bad about Israel or Jews and go make your money. You know what I mean? Now, I love the States. I love the United States. I love what I think the United States is somewhere else that I would be willing to fight for because I believe in the Constitution. But I just have not been seeing it upheld, sorry. And I've just been seeing, like I told you, like this caste system where there's two completely different sets of laws, those for the others and those for us. And I feel like this is the breaking point, right? And so I would fight for the states to maintain the upholding the law universally, like indiscriminately, and then the Constitution. And it's the only country that's ever done this experiment, right? Like the Constitution is this didn't exist. Like this concept did not exist. It's amazing what they did, and that's why they're trying to burn it down, right? I would fight for the states, for that ideal of the states, not what it's right now. Absolutely not. But like I would like to bring it back to that.
It's absolutely like an experiment, and it was proven right, and now it's just getting eroded away. This is like, hang on a minute. The whole point is you try and fight. No system's perfect. They all have their flaws, but that one's pretty fucking close.
That one is so close. Like it's worth fighting for. It's you have to fight for that because if that's gone, there's nothing else. There's nowhere else that has that. Like there's nowhere. So. Like,
hold on.
Yeah.
You've not read any Karl Marx?
I
think we should just try it one more time. Let's just try that socialism thing one more time. I think if look, I know about the bad things, but they didn't do it right. Let's just try once more.
Yeah.
It's like the definition of that's like the equivalent of a bad trader.
Yeah.
It's going to trade the open once more just to see.
Well, I waited 5 minutes. Come on.
I said from now on, 60 minutes, not touching it. I'm just going to watch, see what's going on. 5 minutes later, I'm a socialist. What the fuck happened?
Viva la revolution!
I'm a socialist now, and I'm broke. Oh, perfect. You definitely are a socialist then. But yeah.
Yeah, no. So it's.
I hear you.
It's I don't want that to die. I don't like. They are the last bastion of hope I see in this world. Not they, like the Constitution upheld correctly, but what's going on currently and what's been going on and this like I don't know, this weird obsession with Israel and all this stuff. It's I don't know, it's not looking great right now. It's not looking good.
Yeah. And
what I was gonna say was Canada. Like Canada's always been just like a penal colony. You know what I mean? Like it's literally founded that way. Like freaking French sent a bunch of hookers and criminals here, and they're like, go propagate and create a country. It's just and there's the thing about it, it's like I've always seen Canada as like just this kind of this economic zone for the colonizers, like even England and stuff, to just kind of harvest. You know, like it's it's just this harvesting thing that, you know, oh yeah, give them some national identity, let them go rah rah and drink their beer and play hockey. But you know, every 4 years you come in and you call them, you know, and you harvest all it's a penal colony. Like that's what it is. It's always been that, and people have convinced themselves otherwise.
Yeah.
But to see England turn into what it's turned into, and like the things that they've let happen to their own people, it's crazy to me. It's crazy to me how how universally across every country, the people that have been elected into power just have absolutely zero sense of nationalism. Like
They're compromised. That's why they're fully compromised. That's all. I mean, you can see them squirming as they have to fucking say the shit. They're compromised. That Starmer is so compromised.
Oh yeah.
I don't think he believes the thing if it comes out of his mouth, but he knows he's got to say it.
Look at this. Look at this selling here, man. Wow.
Yeah. I think this is it now.
This is I think this is gonna retest all the way to the lows.
Yep. Broad information, baby.
Your little Browning formation has some juice. I'll give you that.
I mean, look, it's very hard to trade it, but it's good to be aware that he's there. Like, I've never, in all the years I've been watching them, I've never, managed to, snag one at the bottom and trade it all the way to the top, especially on a big, an hourly one or something, or 15-minute. It's obvious it's there, but never, because it doesn't go, it very rarely goes straight to the other side. And so it's extremely hard not to either just get lost in the price action and suddenly think it's failing. Oh shit, this isn't going to go. Or just,
Well, I think that a lot of people, myself included, right, look at that, and I would, immediately my brain was like, oh, this is going to crack VWAP. Let's get short, right?
Yeah.
And the truth is, I'm sure other people are looking at this from a trend line perspective, and they're looking at this like, oh, look, we're still bullish. Like, we're still finding support here in the VWAP. Like, this is a great place to buy. Look at that. You know the trend line I'm talking about, that bottom one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is, just to add to your point.
Yeah, so it's like...
and
but then look at that.
Yeah, wow.
And so if you're a trend line trader and it works some of the time, and when it fails, you wonder why. It's because you're in a broad information. You don't realize it.
Justin, I gotta say this again. You gotta be careful with what you say and share. I think you know a lot. Not to the viewers, though. The viewers, our fans, they need us.
What did I say? What did I just say?
What?
What, my edge?
Yeah. Well, just in general, yeah. Well, we'll talk about it after off stream.
Oh, sure. Yeah, I know you now. I'm with you now. But I mean, some people will just think it's nonsense. So.
Well, I thought you were fucking high as a kite when you started talking to me.
Originally.
Yeah.
What the fuck is this dude talking about?
I like this guy, but he is just...
He is crazy.
No, I felt bad for you. I was like, man, this guy's just fucking lost in life, talking about brawny formations. And...
every second, how many times have I had to listen to that?
You know, I mean, it's I'm doing
it's
a good thing.
It's even here. I mean, you're asking what's going on. You even mentioned settlement or fucking board formations. I mean, what the fuck, man?
He got hit a few times.
I've never heard the guy say VWAP once. What the fuck is that about?
I know. When you were just like, I don't use VWAP, I was like, this guy, oh fuck me, poor guy.
I'm regretting this decision.
Yeah. I'm too deep now. He doesn't use
VWAP.
Just private message all the boys. He doesn't even use VWAP. Oh, hold on. I'm 2 minute break here. I'm gonna do a
Yep.
little twinkle and
Don't lie. You're going for a poo. You don't lie.
no, I already had my morning poo. I'm feeling good.
I'm going for a poo too.
Hola, senor.
Yeah. Sorry, just been vibe coding.
Yeah,
Right, what's happening? What's
anything
happening?
to look at in the market?
No, I mean, I think we're at a key spot. It's just I don't know which fucking way it's going.
Nothing to look at in the market at all.
I'm going nothing apart from a long. I'm going long. I'm officially long. 10 contracts. Tell you what, man. I forgot how fucking relaxing trading MNQ is.
Yeah, I'm not. This has been a nice day for me.
But it's just like I think I'm at a stage where I need to like really test some shit, and I need to give things room and let things play out. Because what happens is it muddies your confidence in the ability to reprice action when you're getting whipped out all the time and losing, and you kind of feel like you're losing, but your ideas are right, and it's because we can't afford to give it any more room.
Yeah.
Whereas with NQ, you can just like it's almost like Sim. It's like you're not doing any real damage, and you just okay, give it the room it really needs. Like a proper invalidation point, not just I'm trying to find the fucking the sixpence that it turns on, and then just watch it, and you're calm. You're not, whatever happens, you don't really give a shit. Well, I don't, because I'm like that. But it's like it's much more relaxing. Just even losing is much more relaxing. But yeah, I might have to do it for a few weeks, to be honest, because I need to just test some things, some ideas. I can't do it with the fucking mini. I can't be asked to just do it in Sim. My platform is frozen up, so I assume there's been a nuclear bomb probably dropped somewhere.
Who got bombed today?
Somebody dropped a bomb. It's still frozen. What's it doing on TradingView?
It's fine on my side.
Oh, of course it is.
No, I got all the data.
She's pumping up. My one's stuck. It's stucky. In the 5 mini, I stop. That's gonna break. It's flat topping. Fuck! It's a flat toppy. Oh, rejecting. One more rotation. One more micro rotation.
Yeah, this should break here.
Oh, jinxed it. Close it out.
Jinxed
it. I'm out. Oh no, it's not looking good.
No, this isn't looking good. Shit.
This is looking really bad. This is looking really, really bad. Oh no, that's still bad. My platform's now. Oh no, now it's looking bad. I might have to add 10 contracts here. Adding 10 contracts. Long. See you in hell.
Wow, look at that's so vicious.
I'll see you in hell.
Okay, here we go. Last attempt.
If this doesn't go here, then I'm shorting full size.
Yeah. No. Yeah. I'm moving myself up real tight here.
Are you shorting?
No, I have a long open right now, but I stopped myself out there. I don't want to play anymore. Oh, of course now it goes.
Yeah, I mean it's not the right time to do that.
I I took the $6 loss. I don't care.
Exactly. They make you so chill.
Well, not really. Like well, yes and no. I take it seriously. So, like,
Yeah, I mean, I do, but I mean, I'll trade it like probably I should. Like, why does, like, my stops are incredibly tight.
like I didn't like
And
that
like-
at the stop and now watching it break out. Like this
No, because I just thought that, you know, for me, that wasn't, you know, that was just antsy. Like, here's where you think about it. It's like, if this starts absorbing here, I'm out. But it's not. It's pressing. That's when you consider it, in my mind. But, you know, we'll work on that. We can work on that. You antsy son of a bitch. Now this, I don't like this. Closing strong. Although that's good. Like, yep, nice. That's a nice structure, that is. She's cracking. She could be going. This could be it. The short squeeze is on, boys. Finally.
Yeah, I got long here, but I'm sweaty. I'm not gonna lie.
That's good. If you're long and looking for scalp, let me tell you when to exit. One more pop.
I got
Should
it.
be. Oh no. Let me tell you when. Now. Now. Could have saved yourself 5 points, mate.
I know.
You just gotta-
I know. I got sweaty. That's
That's
only
okay.
30 bucks, but I got sweaty.
I'm still in. I'm holding for 25 even.
Yeah, I gotta get better at that. Like,
No, look, it's very hard. Oof, see? My exit would have been quite nice. I'm holding it though. I'm holding it! This is an annoying price containment area though. It could very easily church. I might just take one off. Don't be a fucking hero, you whole fucking... Oh shit, it's closed the whole position. I'm not a cat. Right, get back in. Back in! Oh, fuck it.
No. Oh no.
Oh no!
Oh,
Actually, I should have. I think I needed one on. I should have put two on. Oh God! Please don't tell me, you Jew. I only had one on. Right, so back in. Adding here.
I don't even know if you're joking.
Good.
Are you joking or are you serious?
I'm getting back in just for a quick. I think this could continue. I like the structure. Yeah. Okay. Good. You may continue to 25,000. I give thee permission.
Oh, my entry was so dog shit. Come on, you piece of shit.
One more papa.
Give me a pop. Papa for papa.
1 pair of dirty knickers and a pop.
Ah,
Oh no, pop wrong way. Oh no, you're papa the wrong way. She can pop, don't worry. She flat top. She like my wife, she got a flat top. That's another thing, like micros, you can hold through those silly little things where I'll just shit my pants with the mini. And
yeah. Like right there, I would have been shitting my pants on a mini. But on this one, it's like, eh.
this is normal behavior. And it's, but I can afford it. It's like not being able to afford normal price action behaviors where things go wrong. These are not looking so good though.
I would cut mine.
Yeah, I know you did. I know you, bro. You want the quiet and thoughtful for a few minutes. You want very quiet and thoughtful. But no, the structure's still nice here. I think this is going to go. I'm willing to take that chance with a micro. Oh no, she flashy. Ooh, it's getting whippy though. Interesting. She's taking me out. Back to the line. So this is like good shit where like that should have pushed and it hasn't. Have the seller said, that's enough for you. Why am I still in it? Okay, fine. My stop didn't work. It's reassuring. Yeah, I'm still in. How the fuck? Oh, that's really weird. Oh, fuck, it reversed me. I'm actually short. How the fuck? I'm just going to get out of that because that's weird. Yes, this looks like she just failed. Real shitty action though. If you're trying to hold. I'm trying a little short here. Why is my stop not fucking going in? There you go. Just that level of absorption off that high is crazy.
You did not hear me because
Try a little long here.
you're a very, very courageous man.
Just a little one. I know that expect much, but if it does, someone sees some more absorption, I'll have another go here. If it absorbs, go on. Go on. Yes. 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 Nope. This is it. Here's your chance to shine. One more push. No. Okay, reversing that. Oh no. Totally fucked that up. Long. I do.
I stop out for $1.70 profit.
I play macro like it fake monopoly money.
Yeah, you very courageous with your risk. I do long game. And so you know what's funny? Let's see what was my P&L today. Man, they really screw you. Okay, on one of my accounts I'm up 100. On the other account I'm up 200. So you see, this is not bad. You know what I mean? Like this is. I did trade 2 minis on at one point, but not like a 2. I meant like I had 2 different trades with 1 mini. So, but like this is sustainable. I can do this just even with a micro. Like this, most of this profit today was, so 100 was from micro and 200 of the profit was from 150 from a mini, and then the rest from micro. So that's pretty good for micro trading.
Yeah.
I did 1 on YM, 1 on MGC, and yeah. I mean, like you can if you're trading well on like these big whippy, huge volume, huge volatility days, like you can do some money on a micro.
Yeah, and you can't lose too much either. I suppose you can. It's still bullish. Like fucking the Dow's bullish.
My mic keeps cutting off. I gotta get a new cord. I was just like, you're like, oh, you can't lose too much from the mic, and I was like, oh, yeah, no, great job.
Yeah, defying too much, but no, yeah.
I've never done that with real live money before, never.
No.
$600 loss on micros.
I mean, don't get me wrong. I've blown accounts up with micros in a fucking day, but
Yeah.
that's when you put 20 on.
That's when you're like, okay, all right, two lots. Oh, okay, I just 4. Okay, I gotta make this one back. I'm gonna put just 1 mini for this one. 10. It's not really a mini because it's 10 micros, right? It's different. I can scale.
It's just like way more expensive. That's all. It's great. This fees are incredibly affordable at this rate. Oh, $20 for fucking 2 minis? What the fuck?
Like, there's so much in fees. If I put on more, I will
Yeah.
win more on this trade.
Yeah, I'm kind of
It
like, I don't
will
give a shit today. I
cancel
just want to
the
relax.
fees.
Happy to lose a couple of $100 slinging minis like a
God,
maniac.
this is
Micros like a maniac.
Fuck off. Boring. YM is pushing. You dirty whore. That filled me, you fucking sim cunts.
I beg your pardon. It's a family show.
Sorry.
When you turn around and all 3 of your kids are behind you going, Daddy, why?
Daddy.
Why are you talking? Why are you talking like this? You told me our swelling is wrong, Papa. You told me I could only swear in Japanese. Tell me, time flies when you're having fun.
This area is just super gay.
I told you, man. This whole area is going to be gay all fucking day. It grinds up, and then it fucking shits its pants, nice and clean.
Oh, now, you bastards.
Oh, you son of a bitch.
I literally tried to get long twice there and got stopped out pretty much break even. God damn it.
You gotta get the bigger stop. A lot bigger
No,
stop.
I didn't want to because I could have easily done the same in the opposite direction, you know?
No. Only up.
Yeah, sure.
Oh no, wait. Oh no, only down.
Oh,
No, I changed my mind. That's only down.
language barrier. Down, up, yes. Confused.
Yes, left and right. It's up. I thought I said left. Only left. 0 money left. Alright, I'm gonna get this one more chance to fucking go up. Then I'm gonna have to take profit. They're doing a head and shoulders.
Oh, shit. I just got the worst. Oh, my goodness. Where's with my fills?
It's the worst head and shoulders I've ever seen.
I'm fucked. Fucked. God damn. I screwed that up big time. Fuck me. Now on. Okay. Yes. Game over. I lose. That was shit for me.
Oh yeah, micro or mini?
Micro still though.
Micro nothing. It's crap. It's really crappy. Yeah, not gonna say it, but there's something going on. I'm not gonna say what it is again, but you've got to be aware of them. Now here, low risk, high reward, long. Absorb, up absorb. And she now needs to come down some more. Yes, little bit more. Little bit.
Hold.
Wait, buy 10 contract. Oh no.
Oh no. No.
No contract. 25 contract. God. Oh no, I'm out. Oh no, I'm out. Alright, here we go. This is where it's happening. Right, I'm going to absorb this low, and then we're cooking. Oh no. No absorption.
No absorption. Buyers say no, no, no.
Very little absorption. Oh no, I can't believe it. Back to fucking settlement. Fucking settlement. Oh, some absorption. What is this? Oh. Long. Not this time. Long.
Okay, here a few up. The hell is this thing doing? Let's go. This needs to go. There we go. I go back in long.
Flatto topo.
No, stop me out. You go straight up. Straight up. Oh, it's stopping me out.
1 10 point pullback and then up. Invalidated. Time to short.
No.
Oh fuck.
No,
I miss it. I miss it.
I missed too. Too fast.
Invalid. Okay. All-time lows. Straight to all-time low. Everything fail. Across all market. This thing's fucking it down to fucking break this channel. And it's fucking game over. Better stop it. Better put in ginormous fucking stuff in. Pinged off settlement again. Can't. 770. Select. Do I think it's going down? Do I commit to just holding it like a maniac? So, yeah, I don't fucking believe you. I don't fucking believe you. Yeah, fuck it. Like, you can't do that to fucking minis, man. using a structural stop. Ginormous structural stop. I mean, that's looking like a V bounce. This could be a stitch up. Stitch up along. Fucking YM's holding its channel as well. It's flat topping now. I might have to fucking reverse. Hold. Look at these fucking lines. Yeah. Fucking shit. Fucking line. Fucking knew it. Actually losing quite a lot of money today.
I'm getting screwed right now in this price action. I gotta stop.
Yeah, I mean, I'm just fucking like playing a game. I'm just playing a video game right now.
This is taking me to the cleaners now. That's frustrating.
Right back in the middle of the range. That's where Def lives. I think YM has fucking held its trend line. This could fucking break pretty hard. Fucking hate those strong 1 minute closes there. Don't tweet. My platform's frozen again? Fucking hell, how gay is that? I can see on trading views going down. Gold trying to break. But silver lagging. Go on, bitch. Time to fucking squeeze these shorts. Squeeze those motherfuckers.
Boom, that's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go.
I'm talking about, sir.
Went from, and that's a day, ladies and gentlemen, 205 profit on one account, 227 on the other account. Suck my penis. Suck my penis.
I like the almost self-moderation. It's like my peanut butter. My penis, fucking penis. You fucking suck a bitch.
I don't want my kids to hear this stuff.
Daddy, what are you saying? Why are you stood behind me with forks? Pitchforks.
It's funny. My platform says 205 realized profit, but my futures account says 135 realized profit. They really ding you on those commissions, eh?
And my mental P&L says $1 billion. I'm a millionaire today.
I actually took that trade on ES, not on NQ.
No, I know you're a faggot.
I know, but I like mitigating a little bit of my risk sometimes.
Yeah, it's nice just not getting whipped out of it.
Yeah, like look,
fucking 5 seconds.
I really thought it was gonna go test the highs again. It was like I already got chopped up so bad in that little price action before it went to the 9. I was like, okay, I'm willing to risk another $50 here, but I can't risk more than that.
That's because of your pussy.
Yeah, that's pretty much what I just said.
No, it's not. I'm joking. Busting your balls, man.
I know, dude. I know. But no,
I know.
You're not entirely wrong. It is. Like if I had the courage, but I don't have the. Yeah, I don't like.
It's not courage. It's not courage. Like courage, when it's irresponsible, isn't courage. It's just fucking being stupid.
That's correct. And pretty much for me, where I'm at in my, development, everything is stupid. So therefore, I must have zero courage.
Yeah, none of it counts as courage when it's fucking stupid.
Yeah, I think that it's smart a lot of the times, but
yeah, is it courageous to jump off a cliff? Not really.
Nope.
You got to be. It's brave, maybe, to just end your life like that, but it's not courageous.
Whoa. Okay. Gold is.
Yeah. Gold's trying.
Yeah.
Silver is not.
Ooh, I want to
And
participate in this. Ooh,
silver's
yes.
silver's the guy to watch. So. That's some
Give
serious
me a
shit.
juicy pullback here, Gold. Come on.
No pullback. No pullback for you.
No, only up.
Only exhaust. No exhaust, and then retrace. Full force. Welcome to my trap. Honey trap. Japanese honey trap. Yeah, that's risky. Right, come on, NQ. Stop fucking around. 25 even. We'll call it quits. I need to work on my hotkey. Fucking shit, man. Too slow with this mouse.
Oh, do you click or do you actually use hotkeys?
I don't use my mouse. I've obviously got my pre-tech fucking bitch ready to go. I don't use it.
So I use it both, right? I think.
Yeah, I mean, yeah.
For different things, but yeah, you should invest in a good mouse. Like I got a sick gaming mouse and like a really nice gaming mouse pad and stuff, and it makes a big difference.
I mean, I've just got like one of those Trust GXT ones with like nine side buttons on the side.
Yeah, I used those before. Not as.
I get on great with it because I've got the shortcuts at fingertips. I mean, I like that. But
okay. I like the precision of having nothing in my way. I have a really nice Razer mouse, and I'm just lightning fast with it.
Someone say maybe you're too fast. Sometimes maybe too fast to exit.
Oh, that's my speed again. Damn.
It's my damn Razer mouse fucking getting me out of that trade. I didn't want to exit it. Connected via a Neuralink to my brain. My Neuralink is always scared. Gold China. Out. No, I didn't mean that. Stop thinking out. Constantly out. God damn it. Right. What's everyone talking about? No trading for me today. Busy with other stuff. No, you didn't have to tell anyone that, dude. Looks like.
Angel's a good kid, but yeah.
No one's worrying about where the fuck you are.
Yeah. We love you, Angel, but
like I would ghost the place when I can't be asked. Just be in the bottom of a little bowl somewhere. After doing my ass on silver. Right, come on. 0 point plus. Ooh, gold is gold. I wouldn't buy gold.
No, don't buy gold. Don't buy. So
no.
Like here's the thing. I'm like hyper bullish on gold right now, but watch the 30-minute and the 10-minute and then the 1-minute VWAP. But really watch a lot the 30 and 1 hour VWAP areas on gold, and you will overwhelmingly get pullbacks there every
VWAP's the same on every time frame.
Yeah.
Yes. Why do I watch it?
Well, just for pattern. That's all. It is like it looks slightly different on each one. But what was I gonna say? And it has to be the extended hours VWAP, not the regular trading session.
Yeah.
And you will, and like it's been months of this when it gets bullish like this. You will, and each time if you look at the VWAP right now, it touches it the first time, comes a little bit higher the next time, and then the third time, it'll go even a little bit higher than that. It's super easy to time the entries on this, but you just got to be patient. Like it's almost like just have some alerts. Like that's what I did the last time. I just have some alerts, and like all of a sudden, like at 6 o'clock at night, it's like ding. I'm like, oh, okay, and I look, and it's like you can pretty much just blindly get in with.
But what I'm saying is like, I think gold is done. I think it's coming down. I think it is capped.
Yeah, I get that, but I'm saying it's a temporary cap.
No.
Whereas you're saying that it is like cap for the next few days.
It's coming back to 9 4990.
I think it come back to 4. Yeah, that's actually about right. About there.
And then much further, the all-time low.
No.
All the way to all-time low.
No, China.
China, no, doesn't matter. They went out of gold. There's no more silver. They went out of silver. Everything go down, then go up in March, big time. Everything go down to end of February, then up, big time.
Let's take a look. What nonsense you're talking about as far as this charts.
Look at CME's
Hold on.
registered silver inventory and how many exercised contracts are going to occur at the end of this month.
Show me this link. Can you send me the link?
There is no link. I don't have a link.
Then how do you find this information?
I can look it up from YouTube.
That is not information. That is YouTube.
I found a man on YouTube. He said he's definitely going down.
He sounded very convincing. He wear a nice suit and tie.
Now listen, it's English and in his bedroom.
His name is Rips.
He's a bedroom in a suit. It's very professional. Listen to me, it's extremely professional. It's one of those, the colored collar and a red tie. I'll send you there. It is interesting. But he is literally in a bedroom with a red in a suit.
I know what you're talking about.
This is up-to-date information. He posted this morning in his suit, in his underpants.
Oh. Breaking news. Breaking news.
Breaking news, quickly, get my shot. Get that to the red tie, get that quickly. The CME numbers are in. No more silver. No more silver. But yeah, read watch it.
Oh shit! All right. Oh shit! Oh man.
Actually, it's in a blue tie, but the one before that is red tie.
That's good. Shit. Oh Lord.
It's funny though, these old dudes staying current on YouTube in their bedrooms. He's got a pretty professional setup. He looks incredibly boring as a human being, but he knows his shit.
I love
he knows his shit when it comes to silver, that's for sure.
So, dude, honestly, there's a couple channels, Excess Returns and RCM. RCM Alternative is really good. So in RCM Alternative, you get like some serious commodity like brokers. Not brokers, like traders, like private institutional traders. They come on, and it's just some old guys that look like him. And then you start hearing them talk, and you're like, holy shit! Like these guys really know.
Holy shit! I'm feeling sleepy.
This
Why am I so fucking tired? I gotta watch this.
is augmenting.
I know this is important, but I can't keep my fucking eyes open.
Yeah,
Crack a joke.
Oh, this is very cool. Very cool.
The red tie, yeah?
No, this Clive Thomas. I like his little setup. It's fantastic.
Hmm. Yeah, he's making an effort for an old dude in his bedroom.
Look at this. Investing lesson number 2. Toy Town experiences, inflation. This is really cool. I don't know. Yeah.
I'll tell my granddad you like it.
Building a portfolio of equities and gold to survive what's coming. I'm gonna give this a shot today. This guy actually seems pretty cool. Yeah.
Why are you so surprised? You think I'm a moron and just watch stupid stuff?
Yeah, I kind of I did. I was like, oh, this is gonna be good. This fucking clown's gonna show me.
Does he not know who I am? I've got out of my YouTube links.
Like, it's funny because the whole day, like, you're guiding me through trading, but the moment you're like, oh, I saw this guy on YouTube, like, all of my trust and credibility in you just went out the window. I'm like, fuck this goddamn clown.
Just stay in your wheelhouse, bro. Stay in your lane. Don't be recommending some macro, dude. Okay, I'm the macro guy. You're just the price action guy. Okay.
Oh, that's so funny.
I get it. Okay. Well, I'm glad we're sort of. This is all coming out now because.
Squashing all this now.
Yeah, I'm glad. I just need to know where I stand. I don't want to be 6 months in.
So this RCM alternatives, all joking aside, this is really good.
Yeah, I've seen that before.
Yeah.
I've been watching that for years.
So
but yeah, he's in his bed. He's in his bedroom as well. No, I sort of watched it like once or twice and I fell asleep and I was like, "Fuck that, boy." But no, I watched like a lot of the Jam Carson stuff in there. Back when I was following Jam Carson, and his Gamma Varna charm shit.
I do not know who that is.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Yeah, it's called like Xem, but it's pronounced Jam, and it's like he calls himself like Jam Croissant. Jam Croissant. Hang on, let me get you a link of the one you should be watching.
We gotta get you some real live risk. We gotta get you. We gotta get you in the big leagues.
How so?
Oh shit. Okay, I think it's.
Yeah, we've overrun our time slot.
Yep. We gotta end the stream. Okay. Thank
We've
you everybody for watching our video.
Someone else coming in after? Who's in?
Yeah. He's running late right now. All right, I'm signing out here. Bye bye.
Okay. Cheers, brother. Bye bye.
All right, stream.